What is up, everybody? But I am outside in this crazy weather. And boy, I can tell you it is hectic out here. Oh, my back. Woo! Holy crap, I'm gonna get, oh crap, that was scary. Okay, yeah, so I'm outside right now. We're having a thunderstorm, and this is gonna be thunderstorm part 2. Yeah, so I just got a few little clips of, you know, of me just kind of filming of the thunderstorm and everything, right? And hopefully you guys enjoy. But yeah, there's gonna be a few clips of just what I caught of the thunder and lightning. And I also have a little time lapse, sorry. Oh, it is cold.
Oh, holy crap, it is pouring. It's getting so, oh, wow. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Ah! There's so many windows I gotta close. Wow. Go, 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 go. Nope. Oh, right timing. Wow. It's literally like pouring down rain, and I'm getting water in my house. So I'm gonna get one more though. Boom. There we go. Oh, my floor. Ow. My finger. Ow.